I'm going to explain about layers in Illustrator. We're going to use layers for this next part of your creating a character. So for this, all you do is go to the layers panel, and then this will create another layer. Think of this as layers or stacks of paper. So this layer is the bottom layer, and this layer is the top layer, and so on. So each layer that you add, there's more layers to the pile. So to lock a layer, you can do this, lock. To see one is the eyeball. And this is in Photoshop and Illustrator and InDesign if you use it. Layers work the same way for all of the programs. You can name your layer by double clicking on it. I would like for you to name your character layer. Now, for this, we're going to create a separate layer for our background. So I want you to name the layer background space. And you can always change the colors, anything you want to do. If you double click on the layer itself, not the name because it'll just rename it. If you just double click on the icon here, it'll pop up with this. You can change the colors here if you want. This will show if you want to print it or you don't want to print it. That's for certain things when you send it to the printer. And finalize your document, but basically leave all these the same, and you can hit OK. So that's the information about layers.